Hey everyone, it's Megan with Easy IT here with another Mondays with Megan tech tip for you. This week we're going to talk about how to generate a QR code, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm actually super embarrassed to tell you guys that I didn't know how easy it was to generate a QR code. I actually reached out to our marketing company and said, hey, can you make this QR code for this website? I want to do a survey at the end of an event. And he said it'll be faster for you to do it yourself because all you do is Google a free QR code generator. You copy and paste the link and then it generates the QR code for you. So anyone can do this. It's so simple. It's so easy. I hope this is helpful and encourages you guys to try to do this on your own. Have a great week. For more tech tips, subscribe to the YouTube channel or head to easyit.com or reach out to me directly, 614-339-4986. Have a great week, everyone.